the holiday season. A time of joy, laughter.
Good morning. Hi. Thank you.
And endless accounting tasks. We get it. While everyone's decking the halls, you're still crunching numbers. But don't worry. We have something that can help you manage your year-end tax preparations seamlessly. Introducing the 2023 Year-End Reminders and Tax Updates. Where holiday expectations meets financial reality. Here's what you can expect. The latest tax strategies and insights from top experts in the field. Opportunities to connect with fellow professionals and expand your network. A comprehensive year-end checklist to keep you on track. So this year, don't let your holiday season be overshadowed by accounting tasks. Join us at the 2023 Year-End Reminders and Tax Updates, where you'll be ready for the new year no matter what the holiday season throws at you. Register today and make this holiday season your most productive yet. See you!